Hi guys, good morning, 1st of November. We are doing Vlogmas. So I made my hair on Thursday. I took 1 week off from vlogging. So I want to go to work. Today my husband is off. He's at home, he's sleeping. My son is playing his games. So I just want to go to work. This is the outfit of the day. I need to wear shoes and then yeah. I bought too much hairs. I have so much hairs. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm done. It's I think the 30 or wait. Yes, 3:34. So guys, I want to clean. I'm done. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm so excited. Tomorrow is sleeping long. So guys, I did my hair. And I did with curly ends, but now I don't think this hair is for hot water. This kinky hair. Look, yesterday it was looking so beautiful. I'll put a video here. You see how the hair looked. The next day, like the curls, the curls are gone. But it's a very nice hair. It's a very nice hair, by the way. Really love it. I'm sweating and I'm hungry and I just want to drink this one, or I drink watermelon, blue melon. Yes, let me drink this one before we start here. I bought so much hairs. So you see there is empty, so we put hairs. my sweet boy, I'm back. I'm home. What is your dad cooking? Home, sweet home. I'm so tired. I just want to sit down. I eat, and then tomorrow is Sunday, so yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching. We'll see each other on Monday. On Monday we are going to IKEA to buy my husband cupboard. I will tell you all about it on Monday. Bye bye guys, I'm going to rest. Choose. These my leftovers, they look so nice. Nice. Oh, I love my outfit. Hi guys, good morning. We're going to IKEA very fast. Yeah, let's go. I will explain in the car. Look at my outfit, my bag. I love this trouser. Guy, actually it's my Sunday best. Okay, let's go guys. We are going to IKEA because we are going to buy wardrobe for my husband. He has no place for his clothes in our wardrobe. So we are going to have his and hers wardrobe in my bedroom. So let's go to IKEA. My son has school in the afternoon, so by the time we go to IKEA and come back, yeah, he will be home. I love it so much. So guys, we are here. What's the time now? It's 13:40. So 1:40. So we have to go and look for what is the name? Wardrobe for my husband. He has no place for his clothes in the wardrobe. So the whole wardrobe is mine. Actually, till now he has no place to put his clothes because I have so much clothes. So yeah, I need to go with all these clothes in Kenya when I go. So let's go guys, let's go before Walty comes back from school, because he will be in school till 4 o'clock. So yeah, let's go. Today we are not going to eat because we cannot eat and our child is not here. Wow, this one is a new one. It's pretty. How much is it? Guy. But it's a nice sofa. Oh, this one is a new one. It looks nice. Wow. This one is cute, but it's so unten, oder? It's not bad. That one is nice. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Christmas, Christmas. This is a very nice set for Christmas. I want to see how much is the tree. But they don't make. This is what you see. This is what I wanted. I hope the other tree will come like this.
Which one?
The Christmas tree that I ordered. Wow, that's a nice kitchen. Oh, look at this one. So cute. Ah, it's perfect. Oh, another kitchen. But that one is too basic. Oh, look at the dining. Last time there was so much things here. They have removed. Another small kitchen. Another one there. Here's old kitchen. This one is nice if you have a guest. And then you can push it. And then it will be like a sofa. We'll put it in the office. I think that's nice. Wow, this one is nice. But this one we cannot put like this. We cannot put anything there. Now we go shopping. This one is what you wanted, or? Kitchen knife. I'll take this one. I'll put cookies. Oh, it's not ours. I love when they have new cups. New. So cute. So perfect. That one is so pretty. Oh, this one is new. Oh. It. I like it. It's nice. I feel like sleeping here and not waking up. Do you like this color? You want something else? Another color? There's this one. Oh, look. This one is not expensive. Schau. Yeah. This one here. We can take this one. Two. What? This is a very good storage for socks. Okay. This one is so pretty. How much is this? 149. It's so big. I like it. We are done. Now we are going to find the cupboard, the wardrobe. This is a mattress. Nice. Nice. Hold it.
Mit IKEA wird aus jedem Fest ein Fest. Deshalb gibt es noch bis zum 9. November für IKEA Family und IKEA Business Mitglieder 50.
Christmas. Yes. Wow. We are hungry. We eat something. Me, I eat. They have something like. Last time, did I take this one? Take that one, and then something to eat. Do you want some hot dog?
Yeah.
Which one you want? 19. Yummy, yummy. So I need to go with this there, hold on.
Yes.
Then they pack for me. Weird. Look at the Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, that is so funny. We go with lifts. Oh, it's here. Adios. Adios, adios. You're going to eat without sausage. Me, I have some chicken nuggets, and chips. I'm hungry. I love chips in IKEA. I think they are better than McDonald's. It looks like this. Looks nice. Okay, I'm so hungry. I feel like I can eat everybody. It has much gas. Much gas. Oh my goodness. That's so delicious. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, very cheap out of it.
Chicken nuggets.
Oh, where's mine?
You don't want chicken nuggets? Like yours, it's good. I don't even know what I'm going to cook today. I wanted to cook chapati, but it's too late for cooking chapati, right? And I'm so tired, and I have so much clothes to fold. I'll fold on Wednesday. Tomorrow I have a client. Imagine. My husband has off day. You have off day and I have to go to Arbeit. I'm so jealous. I've left, so let me leave that one for Walty. Walty also has hot dogs. We bought for him hot dogs. My husband and Walty, they like hot dogs. Me, I don't like hot dogs. No, I don't like hot dogs.
Why?
Because I don't like sausage here.
I don't like it.
Why are they switching off the lights? You cannot see people here inside the car. Let me put safety belt. I'm going to enjoy my food and enjoy being a passenger princess. Let's go home as I enjoy We will be home by
Okay.
by 4. By 4. I put my stuff in here. Imagine I did not find my pillowcases. Feel so bad. It's good we are home before Walty came home. Ooh. Guys, we are home. We are home. I love my hair. Let me move it. I love my hair. So guys, let me show you what I got. We went for the cupboard. And these are hot dogs for Walty and chicken nuggets for Walty, and he love iced tea. So because we were eating, you cannot eat and you don't bring anything for your child, guys. So let me show you everything that I got, because the next time I will go to IKEA, it will be 2026. Yes, today is 3rd November. Imagine I'm doing Vlogmas in November. Look, I got some nice for the bathroom. They were $2.95. That is like 3 Swiss francs. Yes, I got 2. So I will decorate my bathroom with this. Yay, I'm so excited. I got some photo frames. This one was very cheap. I think one was in 1.95, 2 Swiss francs for one. And then I got another pillow. Not pillowcase, pillow. Then got another one. Now I have enough pillows in my house because I want to have a lot in the bedrooms. And I did not get the pillowcase that I wanted, the green one, so they didn't have, so I decided to take the white one. So yeah, we're going to decorate when my Christmas tree is here, because my Christmas tree will come maybe this week, end of this week. I last week I bought so much things, so this week I will get a lot of packages. Yeah, I got 3 pieces of pillowcase, and I love these pillowcases. They are very, 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 very beautiful. I don't understand why it is white but it is cream. You can see it's a little bit cream. Do you want to eat something? I cook what today? This is a drink I bought in IKEA. And then I got another photo frame. This one was $4.95, like 5 Swiss francs. Yeah. And I got this one because we bought the cupboard. We don't have where we can put my husband's socks, so I got also Walty. We bought for him a cupboard. You will see when I want one day to make his room, like make over his room, because we bought him also a cupboard. So we bought 2 times cupboard. One we did not buy, one we bought in IKEA, the other one we bought in IKEA. So 2 are for my husband's cupboard and the other one is for Walty's cupboard where we put his socks, and it's very big. What is the name of this? I don't know. $4.95, so 5 Swiss francs for one. So all of them, they were $14.95, so 15 Swiss francs for 3 of them. So yeah, and then we got this one when you want to drain water from the nodules. And then I got a cookie jar. We are going to make cookies for Christmas. I'm so excited. And then I got a knife. We don't have good knife here. When we went to Canton Tessin, that apartment had very good knives. So I bought 2. I hope they're nice. Then we got this one. Most people here in Europe, they peel potatoes with this. This one, that is very weird. Me, I cannot peel potatoes with this, but my husband can. So, and then we got some bulbs, because here on the bulb, it's not the same. Yeah, I think this one is like old. This is vintage. I think this lamp is vintage, but it does not have so much light. So yeah, that's all we got, guys, in the cupboard. I'm so excited. I'm excited for this. I cannot wait to start organizing everything in my house. I'm so excited. I'm so tired. So yes, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. We will see each other tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to go. I have to wake up early. I have a long day tomorrow. We are doing braids. And the braids that we are doing, small braids. Long. They're not so small, but they are long braids. Long braids takes longer. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see each other tomorrow. Bye bye. Adios, amigos.